So next step is to connect it here to the wood. The sound from the little Baldwin pianos or always. Good morning. I'm going to tune in this house here. It was an old barn or something, and they have been renewing everything inside, and they are also working on it. And I have to tune an old piano there. So here I am going into the house. This is the old house they have been renewing. Wow, it's amazing how it is here. The weather. Góðan daginn. Það aldrei slott, er þetta að fara að skauta hérna?
Já.
Hæ?
Það sko yfirleitt hérna að vera skautasveit þegar við hefum verið með jólamarkaðinu.
Já, það er sjá hérna. So here is the piano. I have to tune. This is an old Baldwin piano. I will also be fixing some problems with a night damper. First I had to take out the night damper, so I tune it before I fix it. The piano is in okay condition, hasn't been tuned for many years. Maybe the pitch is low, I have to check it out. I have to go over the keys, over the pedals and everything in the piano and find out if it's working well. I know the person in charge of this beautiful place, so we are talking a lot in between the tuning. So I have to put the tuning in time lapse. We talked about pianos, live, renovating the place and other things. So the night damper is not working. It's been falling off here. This thing here, if you can see it, I have to connect it here to the wooden plate here. And I see that the ball has been, if you can see it in my hand, has been falling off, it was loose. I have to put it together here so it's gonna work well. Find out about how it works here. There's a hole somewhere here. And I have to put this together. Let me see. It's gonna work if you can see it. It's sometimes hard to film it here. So now I have been putting this together here. And I have to put it in the right position. So next step is to So I have to take the night damper here and put it into the right position. Maybe you can put it this way here so you can see what I'm doing. I have to put it here together on the left side in the bass, night damper. Not fully tied it till I have been finishing putting everything together. And here we have it. Put it inside the hole here. Here it is. And I have the screw to put here in together. Okay. Then I have to tighten it here. You can see it from here. The screw inside and also from the other side. From here, not tight because it has to have some air so it can work well. So it can go up and down. Now put the damper down. Here the pedal. I'll find out this one is working. So to take it a little down. You see? When I take it up, I have to find out if this is not touching the hammers here, the felt. So if it's touching the hammer, they can be stuck. The felt is gonna affect them to go back. So this is in right position now. Now I have to tighten everything together here, up and down under. Okay, it's working well, but I have to tighten it a little better here, a little more tight. Okay, now, so this was the piano tuning, and then I have to put everything together. Like here. Put it on into the right position. Okay, everything is okay now. Try to find out how it's sounding. The sound from the little Baldwin pianos are always a short sound. There's not a big sound from them, and little like hard sound. But here around, the piano is here by the wall. And here outside we have a beautiful view. There's a frozen lake here outside. We have some ghosts there. They're waiting for me to play for them. And this is a nice, some kind of restaurant and some things to, we have some weddings or birthday parties, they rent it out. And over there we can see here. The Icelandic president lives over there in that house. No wall or nothing around it. And here is outside. A Porsche, it's very nice. The sun is coming up there. It's almost 11 o'clock. And here you can see it. It's very nice. I know you came for the piano, but life without beauty will be boring. Thank you for today. Bless, bless. Bye, bye.